वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड आर सेफ एट होम। तो आपने टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा कि आज के वीडियो में क्या होने वाला है। इफ यू आर न्यू हियर, लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू सम कॉन्टेक्स्ट। आई मूव्ड इनटू दिस 2 BHK studio last year and I have painted this wall right here, which is the living room. Then I have one more bedroom which is the studio room. उसका भी टूर मैंने प्रॉपरली किया हुआ है, जैसे मैंने उसको पेंट किया वो भी मैंने दिखाया हुआ है, तो वो जाके वीडियोस देख लेना। बट द थर्ड रूम विच इज़ माई बेडरूम वेयर आई स्लीप, वहाँ पे मैंने कुछ भी डेकोर नहीं किया हुआ था। क्यों नहीं किया वो सब मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी वीडियो में, बट दैट इज द रूम दैट वी आर गोना डेकोरेट इन टुडेज वीडियो। सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड प्लीज कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। तो मैंने कोई भी बजट नहीं रखा हुआ है बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली पेंट करने के लिए मैंने सिर्फ 2 पेंट्स खरीदे हुए हैं विच इज़ लाइक 200 रुपीज़ ईच। 100 ml का डब्बा आता है, तो बस मैंने वही खरीदा हुआ है। बाकी जो भी मेरे पास पहले से था मैंने उसको रिपर्पज किया हुआ है। द ब्रशेज, ऑल द रोलर्स एंड एवरीथिंग जो भी मेरे पास पहले से था मैंने उसको यूज़ किया हुआ है। सो या बिफोर वी गेट स्टार्टेड विद द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू हाउ ब्ला माई बेडरूम वॉज एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बोरिंग नो कलर वाला बेडरूम। सो लेट्स सी द बिफोर शॉट्स। Alright, now that you have seen the before shots, let's get started and do the transformation. Alright, I should play that music. Bar bar ha. Today we are going to transform this room. Just a little context, you must have seen the before shots already. So I moved into this studio in June and July में Evie Maharani came in my house and this was our room. So इसीलिए यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा रखा नहीं है, ज़्यादा मैंने फर्नीचर नहीं रखवाया है। जो भी आपको दिख रहा है वो अंकल ने दिया हुआ है, the cupboard, the छोटू vanity, the bed, everything. I just have one side table, that's it. मैंने कुछ नहीं यहाँ पे किया because I didn't know how bad Evie's teething phase was gonna be because मैंने बहुत सुना था कि dogs जब teething phase में होते हैं बहुत फर्नीचर खाते हैं and all of that. So I was worried, इसलिए मुझे करना नहीं था। एंड सेकेंड मुझे ज़्यादा पेंट एंड उसमें टाइम भी नहीं मिला बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स इमीडिएटली जैसे मैं मूव इन हुई मैंने जितना कर पाई मैंने किया एंड बाकी सब ईवी आ गई तो मैं नहीं कर पाई। सो फिर वो टाइम ही निकल गया। हम लाइक छोड़ना क्यों करना है, लेट इट बी। वैसे भी ये घर में मतलब अच्छा ही दिख रहा है सब कुछ, तो मैंने बस मेरे बेड के ऊपर वो बिलीव वाला एक सज्जा मार के लिया, उस पर बिलीव रखा है, थोड़े क्रीपर्स छोड़े एंड दैट्स इट। दैट is the one that I'm talking about. बाकी कुछ है नहीं। Now the problem in this room is मेरे बेड के ऊपर की जो वॉल है वहाँ पे I could do so much but this thing is annoying me because ये जो विंडो है ना उसकी वजह से पूरी वॉल का फील ही चले गया है। So it's a very asymmetric situation. The palette that I have chosen for this room is yellow, grey and green which you can see on the screen. So first tip, that whenever you want to renovate your house or redo, paint or whatever, just understand what kind of a color scheme you're going for. Now for me, I honestly wanted to do something colorful and because ये room काफी blah है, you can see like very grey and like this very market color of curtains and everything. So like there is no color as such. Hi Mamash, are you gonna help me paint? She's literally like, ooh, you winked. Second thing is getting your samagri ready. So I have all these things ready from my previous painting session which you guys can see हमने ये किया हुआ था. If you have not watched that video, go ahead and watch it. दीदी and I painted this wall. So मेरे पास सारे ये जो पेंट्स है ये प्रीवियस वाले पेंट्स ही है. You will need this for sure because इसमें आप पेंट पोर करोगे. You will see how to use this. सुतली लाया हुआ है and some chalk to like you know map out the shapes. And आज मैंने सिर्फ ये 2 एक्स्ट्रा कलर लाया हुआ है because green I already have over there. I wanted some shades of yellow which I did not have, so I've got these 2 shades. I'll be leaving the number on the screen, so in case if you want to do the same color you can.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 wait ऐसा मत कर
मम्मी टीवी को अंदर रखना पड़ेगा।
1 2 Where is this?
टेनेंट्स ने कभी लाइफ में लगता है क्लीनिंग ही नहीं किया है गाइस। ईवी डर गई है, ईवी देख कैसे बैठी है।
What is this? झाड़ू से डरती है तू? Scared of the broom.
Can you get supri?
हाँ. And can you do also सुपड़ी? Guys, एक फैक्ट है कि मानसी को सुपड़ी में कचरा डालने नहीं आता.
Why do we have to tell them this? So मुझे यहाँ पे येलो कलर incorporate करना है. So I did this on Pinterest. I'm gonna show you. So I clicked a picture of my bed the other day and then I did this editing. आप पहले एक editing कर लो कि आपको कैसा दिखना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा कलर्स की exactly perfect नहीं होना चाहिए but just an idea कि वो exactly दिखेगा कैसे. And I'm gonna use 2 shades of yellow because I feel yellow is one of the like very positive colors as soon as you enter. In fact मेरे पुराने घर में भी yellow ही है. अगर आपने मुझे follow किया आपको मालूम होगा मैं classic yellow wall. Okay guys, major fuck up is this. Can you guys see how patchy this yellow is and how beautifully this yellow is done? Like I am so upset about this but we are not gonna give up because last time भी यही हुआ था. The orange that I have done outside उधर भी यही सीन हुआ था because these people make the color machine में, ठीक है, machine में numbers डाल के they make it. So sometimes some colors come out patchy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry because the more I try to fix it the worse it's getting. So I'm gonna let it dry and we're gonna fix it tomorrow.
2 days later.
Hi you guys, I am home and as you guys can see my skin is breaking out and this always happens. Let me just put my lip balm. This always happens whenever I have like painted my house because dust, I have dust allergy and पसीना आता है and plus वो room में AC भी नहीं है. So yeah, clearly my skin is breaking out. You can see here and that's when Dermaco comes in handy. This is the Sali-Cinamide anti-acne serum which has 2% salicylic acid and 5% niacinamide, power of 2. This is dye and fragrance free, paraben plus mineral oil free. Now salicylic acid, as you guys know, is a beta hydroxy acid which helps to target enlarged pores, acne breakouts and blackheads, which is the issue with me. Niacinamide तो सबका ही favorite है. It helps to reduce discoloration on the skin, fades out dark spots and acne scars. I feel this single product works on both acne and acne marks simultaneously. Every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi Foundation. Links are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Use my code Manasi 2023 to get 20% off on their website, but these products are available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. We are going to continue with our painting because we have to do another wall today, but before that we have to put a sunscreen, especially if you have used active ingredients on your skin. Regardless अगर नहीं भी किया है तो भी sunscreen लगाना बहुत important है. And I was one of the faces for the ad that they shot for this particular sunscreen, so this is like an extra special bottle for me. This is the hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel by Dermaco. You guys know how much I love this product for years now. So yeah, this is what I have put on my skin. Look at that glow and we are ready for paint day number 2. So I have this thing in my mind. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, it's focusing now. That I want to do over here near this corner, ठीक है, which is in front of my bed. The yellow color looks very pretty. It is looking a little patchy नीचे, but I am not bothered because वहाँ पे bed आने वाला है. So I'm just bothered about the upper thing, which looks great. So that is the corner that I want to paint right now, and I'm gonna keep like a chair or like my bean bag over there, which was the initial position of the chair. Okay, just like a fun fact that there was a point in my life when I wanted to pursue arts. And I also actually went and checked out JJ School of Arts, which is one of the most prestigious colleges for arts in Mumbai. So because I was really good at arts in school, elementary, intermediate के मेरे सारे books हैं, मैं आपको शायद ये वीडियो में दिखा दूँगी by the end of it. So कल mom वही बोल रही थी मुझे that you know you have thought of doing so many things and you have always been a creative child. I never really showed you guys my paintings and stuff because I was like it's not relevant. I have a lot in my mind because मैंने बहुत सारा सेव करके रखा हुआ है. Pinterest जितना क्या बोलते हैं हेल्पफुल है उतना ही कभी कभी confusing भी हो जाता है because you have so many varieties to choose from. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix all the pictures and reference pictures that I have saved from Pinterest and do something of my own. You guys, so this is how the painting looks like. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's looking beautiful. So I've started like doing the border. So ये वाला leaf और ये वाला leaf, it's going to be a black border. I've got these two sizes of canvas. इसका size is 10 by 12 and इसका is 8 by 8. So I want to keep them above my head. जो सज्जा है वहाँ पे मुझे ये रखना है. एक पे I'm gonna take Evie's paw prints all over it. So वो एक करेंगे छोटू पैड पे and बड़े पैड पे again I'm confused between two paintings. We'll freehand it again. Hey you guys, so finally the painting is done. मतलब पूरा अलग दिख रहा है ये रूम एंड ये कॉर्नर ऐसा दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे I'm gonna keep my bean bag and यहाँ पे कर्टन्स भी मैं चेंज कर रही हूँ because as I said the palette of this room is going to be grey, green, yellow. Okay, so bedsheet मैंने ग्रीन कलर की लाई हुई है, वो भी मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में दिखाया हुआ था. So that we are gonna put and we are gonna switch the curtains from this to grey because this is like a very muddy brown color which is clashing with the color theme. One sad thing is कि इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है because this is the reality. Okay, this is not mine, this is what uncle has given, मतलब the owner. तो ये जो निकला हुआ है I can't do anything. So this side of the room is gonna stay like that only and we can't do anything about it. However, बाकी सब we have changed जितना हम change कर पाए उतना. So yeah, let's get to it. We are still figuring it out कहाँ पे क्या रखना है. For now मैंने ये वाली situation रखी है. यहाँ पे मेरी bean bag आएगी but उसमें beans भरना बाकी है. So I'm just waiting for the beans to arrive. तब तक let's just put this bed sheet. Hi you guys, it is 6 o'clock, almost 6. And my back has given up. Like I have been painting from past 3 days all by myself. Whew. But the room looks so happy. Like the moment I enter it just looks so pretty and so happy. Bean bag के हमने जो beans होते हैं वो मंगाए हुए हैं, वो भी हमको fill करने हैं. So like last finishing touches बचे हैं and we are good to go. Painting का काम तो हो चुका है. So I think I'll just go take a good hot shower for an hour and then I will see you guys because I am badly in need of it.
1 hour later.
ये हालत है हमारे bean bag की. Look at the amount of beans we have ordered. It's 2 kgs and the task is to fill this up so that ये थोड़ा अच्छा दिखे. how my bedroom looks like. I'm honestly obsessed with how it looks. Like I can actually sit here and shoot a video. I don't have to sit in the hall. It just looks so positive and minimal yet aesthetic, you know what I mean. I can use this wall, or I can just turn and use that wall, or I can sit like this and shoot a video. You remember those OG videos of Zoella? She used to sit on the bed or niche, or uske piche aisa bed hota tha, and that was a dream, you guys. This feels like a dream because I used to look at her and I used to be like, wow, iske paas khud ka room hai, and like how well she's decorated it and stuff. And today we get to do it all because of you guys, so thank you so much for supporting. And yes, I can sit here and shoot another video that looks beautiful. I know this has turned out a little patchy, but I am not complaining because in camera it doesn't really show much, and I am obsessed with the combination of this sage green with yellow with grey. Perfect. So on the side table I have kept the self-care wala ek container which I got from West Side, जो आपको last video में मिल जाएगा उसका details, and I've kept like my scrunchies and lip balms and all of that which I need near my bedside. So that's that, and otherwise everything goes inside the drawers. And then पीछे to hide the switchboard I have kept a tree over there which looks again beautiful because yellow and greens go really well. As I said, this entire makeover is on a budget according to your preference, because अगर आपके पास bed sheets है and if you have the vase, you can repurpose a lot of stuff in the room, so you don't have to buy new things as such. So yeah, let me know if you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.